Have you ever found yourself staring at a bewildering array of car speakers, wondering which size truly delivers the sweet spot between powerful bass and crisp highs? Today, we're answering a question that plagues many car audio enthusiasts. Are 6.5-inch car speakers the ultimate compromise for achieving fantastic sound quality in your vehicle? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether these popular speakers are the perfect fit for your auditory desires, and how to make an informed decision that will transform your driving experience. I have also shared Amazon links in the description below to the best 6.5-inch speakers you can find today. Let's start with explaining why car speakers come in different sizes. The physical dimensions of a speaker cone directly influence its ability to reproduce different frequencies. Larger cones move more air, which is crucial for generating deep, resonant bass notes. Conversely, smaller cones are more agile, reproducing higher frequencies with greater accuracy and detail. This relationship between size and frequency response is why a balanced approach is so sought after in car audio. So why have 6.5-inch speakers become such a popular choice? These speakers hit a sweet spot, large enough to provide solid mid-bass, adding warmth and punch to your music, yet not so large that installation becomes a challenge in most factory locations. They also integrate well with tweeters and component sets, creating a cohesive soundstage that covers a broad range of frequencies. This versatility makes them a go-to option for anyone wanting a significant upgrade over stock speakers without venturing into complex custom installations. That said, it's important to understand the compromises involved. While 6.5-inch speakers offer great all-around performance, they won't deliver the earth-shattering bass of a dedicated subwoofer, nor the pinpoint accuracy in the highest frequencies that a smaller, specialized tweeter can achieve. The word compromise here means they handle a wide spectrum of sound competently, rather than excelling in one specific area. For most listeners, this balanced performance is exactly what they need for an enjoyable daily experience. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal listening preferences and your car's acoustic environment. Bassheads craving window-rattling lows will likely need to supplement 6.5-inch speakers with a subwoofer. If pristine, audiophile-grade high-frequency reproduction is your top priority, a more specialized component setup might be worth exploring. But for the vast majority of car owners seeking a significant sound quality upgrade, rich, full-bodied audio that handles most genres beautifully, the 6.5-inch speaker is an excellent, well-rounded option. So, are 6.5-inch car speakers the best compromise for sound quality? For many, the answer is a resounding yes, an impressive blend of performance and practicality without the complexities or costs of more extreme setups. Before you go, subscribe for more car audio guides and give us a thumbs up if you found this valuable. Also, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I have also shared Amazon links in the description below to the best 6.5-inch speakers you can find today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.